Good morning, my dear students. Today we have math class and we're going to be talking about object, position, and describing distance. In previous classes, we have already worked on these topics, but today we're going to work on one of our textbook pages. So if you go to your room trying to find your workbook, math workbook, and go to page number 85. I'm going to show it to you. 85, it looks like this. It has a tree, a sheep, a deer, a lion. It looks like this. Go find page number 85. But before completing all this page, we're gonna go and we're going to review some theory and how we are gonna be using these words that describe object, position, and distance. Okay, so in order to do so, I'm going to zoom up a little bit my video so you can see and remember some of the prepositions that we use. Do you remember this what I did? Okay, the bear is behind the box. If I want to do it with my characters here, I can say, for example, Mr. Pig is behind Jesse. Yes or no? Look, Mr. Pig is behind Jesse. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. This one is under. Polar is under the box. Now, I want to switch characters. Let's do it like this. Jesse is under T-Rex. Jesse is under T-Rex. Okay, keep going. Inside. Polar is inside the box. Outside. Polar is outside the box. On. Polar is on the box. Over. Polar is over the box. Remember that when we say over, it means that it's not touching. In this case, Mr. Pig is over Jesse and T-Rex, but it's not touching in any moment. Over is like this. And now today we're going to concentrate in four words that are far. In this case, these are balloons that are far away. Muy lejos. Around, the birds are around, los pájaros están alrededor del árbol. Around the tree. Near, the bear is near the tree. Podemos decir que este es Pami. Pami está muy cerca. Para decir muy cerca es near the tree. And the flowers are close to the tree, pero no están tan cerca, pero no tan cerquita como el osito. Entonces, muy cerquita, near. Cerca, relativamente, close to. Lejos, far. Alrededor, around. Vamos a hacerlo con nuestros characters. Let's do it with the characters. So, if I put here, let's say, T-Rex is near Jesse. Mr. Pig is close to T-Rex and Jesse. And the dragon is around all of them. Around. Do you see? Let's repeat. Around. Near. Close to. Okay, very good. Now, let's go back to me. And we're gonna start working on our worksheet. For that, I draw it so you can see it bigger. I'm sorry for my drawings, but I just want you to look very carefully. So in the first one, the book says, complete the labels to show the distance to each animal from the tree. So our reference point is the tree. We're going to think about the tree and where are the animals from the tree, okay? So in the first one, we have three options. The first option is far, the second option is close to, and the last option is near. Remember, far, lejísimos. Close to, relativamente cerca. Near, muy cerca. Muy cerca, muy cerca, muy cerca. So, let's think about this. Let's think about the lion. The lion, ¿qué tan cerca está? Think about the distance from the lion to the tree. I think the lion is far from the tree. So we're going to use the word far. Let's write it down. Far. And you cross the word far in the box of words. Far. Now let's think about the deer. The deer, is it is near the tree or close to the tree? What do you think? Give me your answer. Yes, I think the deer is close to the tree, but not very like near. No, it's close to the tree. So let's write down close to and cross it from the box. Close to. The deer is close to the tree. And finally, the sheep. I bet you know this one. The sheep is near the tree. Remember, near, super cerca. Super cerca. So near the tree. So in this case, it will be near, close to, and far. Very good. Now, let's go to step number 2 or exercise number 2. It says draw. In this case, we have to draw 2 fish close to the boat. Okay, remember that close to is like this. No tan cerca, pero relativamente. Entonces vamos a dibujar. ¿Qué vamos a dibujar? 2 fish close to the boat. I'm gonna use markers. Okay, so I'm going to do 1 fish and 2 fish. Remember that plural for fish is not fishes. No, it's fish. 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4 fish. So I have 2 fish close to the boat. Close to. Pues no tan cerca, relativamente. Okay, then it says 2 birds around the boat. Around. Remember? 2 birds. Okay, so let's draw 2 birds around the boat. I'm going to draw them very easy. Look at my birds. 2 birds around the boat. Okay? Now, let's keep going. 2 fish far. 2 fish far from the boat. Uy, that will be... I'm gonna use another color to draw 2 fish far away from the boat. Oopsie. Okay. So these are my fish that are close to the boat and these one that are far from the boat. Close to, far. Okay. And finally it says color the nearest fish to the boat blue. Okay, the nearest, if you look at my picture, the nearest fish to the boat will be this one. So I have to change this one color and I'm going to color it blue. Okay, let me do it. I'm going to switch a color. I'm going to use my markers. And this fish is supposed to be blue because it's the nearest to my boat. And I got it. The nearest fish to the boat is blue. Okay? Done. Well done. Let's keep going and let's finish with number 3. In your book says something like this. Circle the child. Number 1. The nearest to the football. Okay. In here we have how many kids? Let's count the kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But some of them are closest to the football. Do you see the football? Okay, so I have to circle the kid that is closest to the football. Exactly, the word is nearest to the football, which is muy cerca. Let's do it. I know which one is. Is this one? This one? This one? Which one? Which one do you think? Think about it. Okay, I guess is this one. Okay. I think the girl is the nearest to the football. Now, number 2. Which kid is the farthest from the football? The one that is far, far, far away. Which one do you think? Look at the picture and tell me. I think the farthest is him. And I'm going to circle it too. Like this. Nearest, farthest. Nearest, farthest. Okay guys, so I hope you finish working in your page. Don't forget, take a picture and make mommy and daddy to send it to Miss Angelita's email. And don't forget the words that we learned and practiced today, like far, around, near, close to. Okay? Bye bye transition. Have a great day today. Bye.